Mga bossing ko, lagi ka bang nagpapaprint o kaya naman may printer ka nga pero malakas naman sa ink? Well, this is the sign para mag-upgrade ka na to our HP Smart Tank printers. Perfect na perfect to kung student ka, nag-work from home, or business owner ka. Dahil from basic printing hanggang advanced office productivity, ay may printer kami na para sa'yo. Simulan natin sa ating HP Smart Tank 210. Naka-print function only nga pala ito, plus compact yung design, and supported na rin ang borderless printing at mobile printing. Perfect na perfect for basic printing needs. Best choice to for students and home use. Next naman ay ang ating HP Smart Tank 520. May print, scan, and copy function na nga pala ito. Plus supported na rin ang borderless printing at mobile printing. Bukod sa reliable for everyday printing, user-friendly na nga rin pala yung controls. Perfect naman to for school projects, documents, at office use. Kung need mo naman ng wireless printing, check this out, our HP Smart Tank 580. May print, scan, and copy function na nga rin pala ito. Plus supported na din ang borderless printing at mobile printing. Plus yung ating additional function ng wireless connectivity. Perfect naman to for work from home or kung naka-modern setup ka. At kung gusto mo naman ng mas advanced na features, ito nga pala ang aming HP Smart Tank 615. May print, scan, copy, and fax function na nga pala ito. Plus supported na rin ang borderless printing, mobile printing, and wireless printing. Meron na nga din pala itong automatic document feeder at naka-touchscreen na rin yung display. Mas mabilis na nga pala itong mag-scan and perfect na perfect for office productivity. And lastly, this is our HP Smart Tank 750. This is our premium all-in-one printer na may print, scan, copy, and Ethernet. Supported na rin nga pala ito ang borderless printing and mobile printing, built for heavy workloads and high-volume printing. And nga pala, naka-smart office features na nga pala ito. Perfect to for business owner at high-volume printing needs. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng printer na sulit, affordable at pangmatagalan, mag-HP Smart Tank printer ka na.